I tried.
Have you guys seen Miss Melanie?
No. Man, I actually don't know.
Check the office.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, Christian.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I know y'all not coming in here with that camera. Where that camera at? Where is it at? How can I help you, Christian?
We're hoping to get information for Vacation Bible School.
All right, listen. All we need is for you. Have you registered yet? Your mom and dad registered you? You don't know for sure? Well, listen, let me tell you. I'm going to give you a registration form for you to take home to your mom and dad and have them fill it out for you and your sisters. The registration form, you return it back to me as soon as possible. Tell your mom and dad they can come too. And they don't have to worry about cooking because we're serving dinner starting at 6 o'clock every night. So you don't have to worry about dinner, and you can just come and you can tell your mom and dad they can come. And if you have any friends that you want to come, you can also bring them. Just make sure they're registered. Now, Christian, here's what I'm going to tell you. Don't y'all think y'all could go find some of the other teachers and bother them right now because I am busy. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, you can go. Some of the other teachers are Sister Ruth, Reverend Lewis, and Sister Ron K. Tapp. So tell some of the people that they can also go to those instructors, and they'll give them a registration form as well. Okay?
Good.
Thank you. See you later.
See you later.
And your camera. Bye.
Good morning. Are you a 4th, 5th, or 6th grader? Then I need you to attend my class, Reverend Lewis Vacation Bible School. And if you do, I guarantee you, you will never forget the experience. By the way, I've been known to give the best prizes for those who work hard, participate, and show they're willing to go to the next level. So I would like to see you soon.
Greetings to our youth and young adults. My name is Sister Michelle Ruth, and I am excited to be a part of this year's Vacation Bible School. Myself, along with Sister Joy Wynn, will be your dynamic dual teachers as we tag team the youth grades 7 through 12 and the young adults ages 18 to 25 for a week of fantabulous food, fantabulous fun, and fantabulous fellowship as we learn together of who the Word of God say we are. So invite a friend, and we'll see you then.
I'll meet you.
All right. Hey,
What
guys.
you doing? What you doing?
I'm preparing for Vacation Bible School. Go on, have a seat. Let me show you. Remember last year we had lots of fun and we learned about praise break. Every time we got to a praise break, we went, woo, yeah! We're going to have a great time learning about God shining through us. And so we're going to have plants and cups and baskets and all sorts of great stuff. And I'm Sister Ron Kay. Hold on. I'm Sister Ron Kay, and I'm going to be teaching the preschoolers and kindergartners.
No, not me.
That's right, because you're in 1st grade now.
No, 4th grade.
So you're going to be working with Sister Beth and Brother Reggie. So everyone, come on out and have a blast with us. August 3rd through 7th. See you then.